Hey everybody, it's me, Denise, and I am coming back to you. I'm going to show you my first watercolor travel kit that I created. So I took this makeup bag. It was a Bare Essentials makeup bag. I think you can see it there. There's a tag inside too, and I just looked online and put together what I needed from different YouTubers, and there you can see the Bare Essentials tag. So I thought this was going to fit my needs permanently. So I just got this Koi watercolor set from Hobby Lobby. It was like $20 something, like $29, and I used 40% off coupon, so you know I got it for a little over $15. I got this sketchbook, B Paper Company sketchbook, and it's got pretty good paper in it, so it's nice and thick and can handle just light washes. And then I keep a paper towel in here and some water brushes and a Sharpie, a pencil, and a white gel pen, and I'm set to go. So I am going to do a little demo for you on using this Koi watercolor set, so hang tight and I'll get set up. This just comes off, and you can put it right here. This Koi watercolor set had a watercolor brush in here, and I think I just put it together and put it in here, or used it with another kit. But there's sponges, and I travel a lot, and I like to go through woodsy areas, and so you can use this as mixing tray. You can put it here, or you can put it here and sketch that way. And you can even put your paper, your pad here, and you can just be all set to go. I usually like to sketch a little bit with my pencil, just to kind of get an idea of where I'm going to put things. So, but I'm going to take this out. I'm going to put this over here so you can see it. And I'm going to sketch a black-eyed Susan. So I'm going to just make a little half circle and just kind of put that in the center of the paper. So I pre-wet my paints just to kind of activate them. So I haven't used them for a while, so oh, but they're nice. Yeah. So I am just going to make some petals, and they're nice. Start with this lemon yellow. And maybe put some, see, I like to take that little sponge, but I carry a paper towel with me just in case I want to clean my brush off good, because these get dirty quick. And then I'm going to take some like burnt umber and just kind of make some stippling for the center. And if it runs into the other, it really doesn't matter to me. And then I'm going to take some yellow, a different color of yellow. Maybe this warm yellow. Mix a little bit of that brown. Kind of put some different colors in there to give it some dimension. Okay, so let's put a stem on it. Let's go with this. That's not really a sap, that's kind of like an olive green. Ooh, that's like a phthalo green. Yeah, I think that's the closest you're going to get to a sap. So I'm going to take that and just kind of do my own mix here until I get a color I like. Maybe get some of that bright green. So I want it just a little brighter. Take it and sometimes I tend to get my stems too thick. Get some more of that brown, put down there. Clean off my brush and get a little bit of dark. Down there too. Alright. And you can't carry a blow dryer with you, so, but I do like to let my paintings dry and then go over it with my Sharpie pen. As I always do. So let me give this a blast. It won't take very long. Then take my Sharpie pen and go around as I like to. I'm missing right now, all the spring flowers are out in the woods, and I really enjoy going out and taking walks and seeing those. In the state park, but you know, the state parks are closed because of the stay-at-home, shelter-at-home. So, hopefully, I'm just gonna scribble this a little bit. Hopefully things will open up here soon, and the weather will turn warm, and give that a little dark there in the center. So, and then I always like to go around the edges and give them a little extra heavy line. Where there might be a natural shadow. And that's kind of messy, but I'm just showing you. I'm going to be darker through here because the petals would be, might be darker here. And there you go. A little spring black-eyed Susan or whatever, and you're in your travel sketch pad, and this is just really a nice little box for that. I don't worry about it. It was cheap enough, so if I forget it and leave it somewhere, it's no big deal. So, and this little paper pad is good, and you can document where you were and where you seen this flower at, and it can just be like a little photo journal. I just really like it. And then if you want to, I got a white gel pen in here on this flower. I probably wouldn't have very many lights. There are maybe a little bit on these leaves. But I've had this, and you know, I just keep it in my car, and that way I have it when I want it, and I don't have to worry about it. My water brushes have water in it, and my sketch pen, my pencil, my eraser. I got a mechanical pencil with an eraser on the top, so I don't have to pack an extra eraser. You could pack whatever you wanted in these, and you could even go smaller than this. So, and I might try that in some video moving forward. But so that's already dry. Sign your name to it and fold it up. Sign my name. And the date. There you go. You got your travel sketch kit. I don't think it could be any easier than that. So, there you go. Just from an old makeup bag. So, thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the thumbs up. It really helps. Thanks. Bye-bye.